Hello, everybody. This is Kostas Albanidis, and I'm super amazed to introduce you to a great application that it's gonna lead to a lot of conversions. It's gonna keep your customers engaged, and it's gonna give informations to your customers without the need of answering all the time the phone and answering the same question. Sometimes it's very tiring for products or services to answer the same questions and give the same answers to different people. So saving time, you can do even more things. You can use one of the other programs that I suggest you, and you can create a video campaign, or you can create an ad campaign. So let me focus to this one amazing application and show you how you can create a ChatterPal campaign so that you can serve your customers to the e-shops or websites or blogs. Let's move very fast to one of those. Let's say I'm not going to create a new campaign. I'm going to show you one that I already created here, but we can edit it and change it. Here you can select any of those avatars. There is a big variety for any niche. You can select anything you like. Okay, and we can move on because over here we have already selected Super Jill. We can move on. Here we can arrange the transcription. You see, there are many ready-made transcriptions. We can select, let's say, e-commerce welcome, import speech. We can select the voice we enjoy to hear.
My name is Ivy. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video avatar.
That's a very nice voice for kids' toys and anything like that. Excuse me. Here you can select Kendra, let's say.
My name is Kendra. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice.
But let's go on with Aria. We're gonna change here and put hello, my name is Aria. We're gonna import the speech, and we can even test the speech.
My name is Aria, and I'd like to welcome you to our website.
You can even pitch the sound. You can change the speed or anything. Let's move on here and see what else we got. You see, you can choose a logo. I added a logo, Infogate Technologies here. You can choose the thumbnail that it shows to the avatar, to the chat box. You can use the logo for shirt. You can use the typing animation while the customer is answering, and you can keep the customer engaged. Okay, here to the next, we can see it's chat dialogue. Here, you can use the you can add an action, and or you can use the ready-made actions. Okay, you see here it was ChatterPal, and here is the actions. Here you can change this particular actions, but I'm gonna show you here what we can do with a ready one. Let's go and select this one, customer acquisition. Let's we press load, and you're gonna see we have this ready-made questions. Okay, and here we select. You see, we collect some. We collect the email of our customer, and we keep the customer engaged. Let's see that in action. And another video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own action. Okay, to add your action and do your own tricks here. I'm gonna put the avatar to the middle so that we're gonna see the avatar here in the middle, or we can put it in the left, because on the right I am here and I'm here to help you. I guess it's better to have this communication and be able to see me, not to disappear from there. So I'll put it in the middle to see it in action. We named the campaign Test Campaign, and thank you for your interest. And we press here Create Campaign, save and create. And here we're gonna see that it's gonna take some time to render. In fact, to prepare the video that it's the animation and the speech while we start the intro. But at the same time, we can check and preview this one. But in fact, this one it's already created on the right. Okay, we're gonna wait for a while. You see here it's pending, so we're gonna wait for a while to have this ChatterPal ready, and I'm gonna show you the magic. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen, we have the ChatterPal ready. We can see the magic pressing the preview here, or we can get the code to embed to our website or e-shop, or we can get just the instant site URL and run it to any browser and see the result. Okay, I can copy this one and use it straight to any website. We can just see the preview here.
Hello, my name is Arya, and I'd like to welcome you to our website. Please check out the wide selection of high-quality products we have to offer. We know there's something you're going to love.
You see here the
While
chat.
you're at it, please be sure to check out our specials.
Let me ask.
We have some amazing deals going on right now with some unbelievable prices. If you have any questions, our friendly customer service staff will be happy to help, and they're just a click away. Thanks for visiting. We look forward to doing business with you.
Okay, I can use this one not to start straight like that. I can close it if I want like that. Here it's asking the name. So I can put my name here, Costas, and the chat is going on. You see that's the action. In fact, that it's already prepared. We have many actions prepared already for us, and we can use those. But I can use the one that you see here. Is it glad to meet you, Costas? Do you have a business or brand you'd like to promote? We can help. First, what's the name of your brand? I can write here Infogate. And the chat goes on like that. You see, okay, here are some of the services we offer. It gives two links, two different links. And this is the magic of the action. So we don't have to answer all the time the same answer to the same questions all the time on the phone or to emails. We can provide the necessary information from here. The customer choose service 1, service 2, and it goes on. And you see, this is the action. It could be a link, it could be a photo, it could be a video there. Here you can give a promotion like it's going on with this one. If you press no, I don't need it, you're gonna get okay, thanks, thank you for contacting us, and the chat, it's gonna end. I guess it's amazing. Okay, I have a link down from this video from where you can easily purchase this amazing ChatterPal. It's one-time fee. Trust me, it's rocking, and it's one of the most interesting and most valuable stuff that you're gonna use for your agency, your personal site, or anywhere else. You see, you can easily create anything here. Here is the way that you can change the actions, even the ready-made actions. You can add your animated icons here. You can use data of your customer, and you can collect data from your customer using questions. You can add pictures as an answer. You can add videos as your answer to your customer, and the possibilities are endless. You can do amazing stuff to serve your customers for your website or your e-shop. Trust me, you're gonna find it valuable. The cost is not that big. It's just for, but you can easily find it here to our website, here to the marketing tools. It's a ChatterPal. You can read a little bit more about it, and you can just buy the product. It's a huge discount from $97 to $49, and the product is really rocking. You're just gonna love it. I'm gonna try to make more videos about this one, because I'm really excited about this one. I already use it to my websites and to e-shops, and it's amazing. It gives all the necessary information and all the necessary data you want to provide to your customers. I guess that's all for now. I hope it was clear what this application does, and I hope you realize how much value it gives to your agency or to the services you provide, and you can save a lot of time for yourself, for your customers. It's amazing. I wish you a great day or night, and hope everybody is feeling great and nice. Hope to see you again, and I'm gonna try to make more videos from this product and from other products that are really amazing. Thank you for watching this video.